DEA has always believed in the importance of flexibility, reliability, and affordability for every energy storage system, as these are the keys to truly achieving our energy transition goals. Introducing DEA 100 kilowatts to 2.5 megawatts commercial and industrial energy storage system solution. This is a scalable energy storage solution that supports deployment from 100 kilowatts to 2,500 kilowatts as needed. When paired with the DEA BOS series batteries, it can form flexible backup power solutions with a maximum duration of up to 32 hours, providing versatile options to meet a variety of energy storage needs. The entire system is designed with true modularity, allowing for free selection and flexible deployment of each module. It is engineered to support integration with photovoltaic systems, diesel generators, and the grid, enhancing its versatility and adaptability. The deployment costs can be reduced by up to 30% compared to traditional containerized energy storage solutions, making it more cost-effective. The PCS module is the heart of the system, achieves 98.5% conversion efficiency with 200 ampere max charge and discharge current. Its 200% transient overload capacity with industrial-grade power reliability enables rapid grid stabilization during voltage swings, ensuring sustained operations for critical industrial loads. Beyond hardware robustness, integrated smart grid features, including zero export control, time-of-use optimization, and AI-powered dynamic price response, slash energy costs through real-time load optimization. The BOS-B Pro is a high-performance commercial battery exclusively designed for C&IESS, comprising 16 modular units of 16.08 kilowatt-hours each. It delivers a maximum charge/discharge current of 180 ampere and achieves a cluster capacity of 257 kilowatt-hours. Each cluster integrates a high-voltage unit to enable cluster-level battery management. Equipped with intelligent balancing technology, it optimizes charge distribution and extends battery lifespan, while supporting firmware upgrades and online maintenance. The system allows DC-side parallel connection of up to 16 clusters, delivering extended backup power for up to 32 hours. It can also be combined with other BOS series batteries to provide flexible backup solutions. The MPPT module powers the entire system with exceptional photovoltaic integration capability, designed with 8-way independent maximum power point trackers, each supporting up to 40 ampere input current. It enables seamless compatibility with high-current photovoltaic modules. Each MPPT module can connect up to 200 kilowatt peak of PV modules, maximizing the system owner's daytime energy harvest. The STS module is central to dynamic energy dispatch, enabling seamless power transfer among the grid, generator, loads, and PCS. With less than or equal to 10 millisecond on-grid to off-grid switching, it ensures uninterrupted operation across both modes. One STS module can connect to 5 100 kilowatts PCS modules or 4 125 kilowatts PCS modules, while 5 STS modules parallel clusters scale total capacity to 2.5 megawatts. Achieving flexible system expansion from 100 kilowatts single PCS setups to multi-megawatt deployments. This is DEA 100 kilowatts to 2.5 megawatts commercial and industrial ESS solution.